Human errors in manufacturing can disrupt production and impact quality. The key is not just to react to them, but make efforts to prevent human errors. By understanding their root causes, we can take some preventive steps. Ergonomics are crucial for performance. Poor workstation design or awkward movements lead to fatigue, discomfort, and errors. By optimizing ergonomics to eliminate repeated bending, twisting, and uncomfortable motions, workers stay focused, reducing mistakes. Forgetfulness often leads to errors, especially with complex tasks that rely on memory. Using visual aids or checklists helps workers stay on track and reduces the risk of missteps. Low-cost mistake-proofing solutions can further minimize errors and boost efficiency. Procedure weakness can cause confusion and errors. Unclear or inconsistent instructions lead to mistakes. Regularly updating and clarifying standard operating procedures ensures accurate, step-by-step guidance. Digital work instruction software can help manage procedures more effectively. Environmental factors like noise, poor lighting, or cluttered workspaces can distract workers and increase the likelihood of mistakes. Creating a well-organized, well-lit, and quiet environment enhances focus and reduces errors. By addressing these causes, we can prevent errors. Solutions like ergonomic improvements, visual aids, clear procedures, and a clean, well-designed environment set workers up for success. To learn more, visit orcalean.com.